Hi, my name is Dr. Gaurav Bhardwaj. I'm an endodontist practicing in Delhi. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating you my new 5.2x loupes and I'll be comparing my new 5.2x with my older 3.2x magnification loupes. So first of all, why did I upgrade from 3.2 to 5.2? The main reason for me to purchase these loupes and invest in these loupes was the posture of my neck. So, if we have to practice for a long time, the main focus should be on our health. To maintain the posture correctly, we need ergonomic loupes. That is what I felt actually. So, I purchased these 5.2 magnification ergonomic loupes. So, if you see the loupes from the side, you can see that these are placed at an angle. So, what happens is in my older loupes, these are my older 3.2x loupes. So, if I have to work on the patient, I had to bend my neck at a certain angle. If I bend my neck at a certain angle, after around 40 or 35 to 40 minutes, you kind of feel the stiffness and tiredness in your neck. To overcome that, and also I wanted to upgrade my magnification. So 3.2 to going to 5.2, it makes a lot of difference in magnification as well. First, let us talk about the posture. So as you saw, if you watch from the side, I had to bend my neck if I had to work with my non-ergonomic loupes with 3.2 magnification. Whereas if I show you how I work with the ergonomic loupes, you can suddenly see the change in the posture of the neck. So of course these loupes, they require some adjustments, but what you can appreciate is the change in the posture of the neck. So if I have to look at the patient like this, I have to watch straight and the loupes will show me where I am working in the different direction. So this is how the ergonomic loupes work. The field of vision is different for these loupes, but the distance at which we can see is definitely the same between the two loupes as we compare. Okay, so the change in posture of my neck is the first thing that you should notice while working with these newer loupes. Okay, so if we watch closely, if we see the older 3.2x loupes, these did not have any more sort of adjustments. Okay, this is the only adjustment that we have to make while working with these older loupes. But if we look at these ergonomic loupes, there are a lot of adjustments that we can do while performing with these. Okay, so yes, there are definitely some adjustments that need to be made with the higher magnification loupes. Now, if we talk about the disadvantages with these loupes, so when you work with the higher magnification loupes, the field of vision, it narrows down. Okay, so when you are working, for example, when you are scaling in the patient's mouth, you will be able to see a very narrow zone of area. Okay, so you will be concentrated at a very narrow zone. So this decreases your field of vision, but whatever you see, you will be seeing at a very high magnification. And what that does is, so for example, when I used to work with my 3.2x loupes, I could see that yes, there could be some MB2 in this area. There can be some MB2 in this area while working in the upper 6 molars or upper 7. While with these, the sudden difference that I noticed is, as soon as I start with the access opening, suddenly I could see the orifice of the MB2 now, right from the beginning of the access cavity preparation. When you open the access cavity and you start making a correct shape for that, when the light enters, suddenly you will see the orifice of the MB2. This is the first difference that I noticed with these. Now, of course, you can't move that much with these higher magnification loupes because suddenly the focus shifts. Okay, with these, it is not a major issue if you move a lot. Okay, so what I recommend you is always go for the lesser magnification first. Don't suddenly buy the higher magnification. I would always suggest go for the 3.2 magnification loupes, but always with light. Okay, then you can of course gradually increase your magnification and buy a newer loupes. Okay, so this is how I would ask you to transit. Okay, the transition phase is around, it will take you around 1 week or 10 days to do the complete transition from 3.2 to 5.2. But always buy a 3.2 first, then go towards a higher magnification. That is what I'll suggest. And I would like to know your comments regarding this video. Just let me know if any questions are unanswered right now, and I'll be happy to help.